Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about STBL, a project that's been making big waves lately with its novel stablecoin model. If you're into stablecoins, real-world asset backing, or yield innovations, this one is worth your attention. Right now, STBL is trading around 15 to 17 cents USD depending on source. Circulating supply is about 500 million tokens, out of a total max supply of 10 billion. That means only about 5% of the total supply is live in the market currently. Trading volume in the last 24 hours is strong, hundreds of millions USD, showing people are very active around this token. The market cap is in the range of $70 to $80 million given those numbers. What makes STBL interesting is that it isn't just another stablecoin. It's built around a 3-token model which launched recently. The idea is to separate the ability to spend stablecoin, called USST, from the yield that comes from the assets backing it, by using a yield NFT, called YLD, and a governance or revenue token which is STBL itself. Users deposit real-world assets like tokenized treasuries or money market funds, mint USST for spending, but still keep their claim on yield via YLD, and STBL token holders get protocol revenue and governance rights. That's been called a yield-splitting stablecoin model. There are some big updates that have helped push STBL into the spotlight. STBL officially announced a token generation event, listing on Binance Alpha and Kraken, which adds exposure. There was also a Binance Alpha airdrop event for eligible users. The beta version of its dApp is live on multiple blockchains, letting users mint USST, handle the yield claim via YLD, and use the protocol. That gives real utility, not just talk. Looking ahead, if everything goes well, good adoption of USST, user growth, multiple DoFi integrations, strong governance participation, STBL could push upward beyond current levels. Maybe toward 30 to 50 cents in a midterm scenario if momentum holds. Yield model proves safe and attractive, and market sentiment stays positive. On the other hand, if unlocks happen, or yield doesn't flow as expected, or there are regulatory headwinds, price might correct or consolidate back towards support zones, which might be around or below current levels depending on trading pressure. In summary, STBL is doing something fresh in stablecoin and real-world asset finance. The yield splitting, the separation of spending versus yield, the backing by regulated assets, plus strong leadership, Reeve Collins, Xtether, all lend credibility. But it's early, volatile, and not without execution risk. If you're watching STBL, keep an eye on how many people are using USST, how many YLD holders are staying via selling, exchange liquidity, unlock schedules, and regulatory developments.